My name is Sofia. For nearly a decade, the preparations for this Veterans Day event have included a missing man table set up in the corner of the lobby. It is a solemn yet welcome tribute that holds great significance to our veterans and honored guests. But its meaning is often lost on our students. This year, we would like to shed some light on the symbolism of the components of the missing man table. Each item you see has a special meaning, a symbol of love, loss, and remembrance. The empty chair reminds us of those who are not here, and the items on the table speak silently of their sacrifice. As we dress the table, we ask that you watch closely and reflect on the meaning of each symbol. This is a somber moment, a time to pause, to remember, and to honor those who gave everything in service to our country, and those who never returned home. Please join us in showing respect as we begin. Table. This table, set for one, is small to show the frailty of one prisoner alone. Tablecloth. The tablecloth is white, symbolic of the purity of their intentions to respond to their country's call to arms. Black napkin. The black napkin represents the sorrow of captivity. Single red rose. The single red rose in the vase reminds us of the family and friends of our missing comrades who keep the faith, awaiting their return. Slice of lemon and sprinkle of salt. A slice of lemon on the plate reminds us of their bitter fate. The salt sprinkled on the plate reminds us of the countless volunteers of families as they wait. Inverted glass. The glass is inverted because they cannot toast with us. Candle. The candle is reminiscent of the light of hope, the lives in our hearts, to illuminate their way home, away from their captors to the open arms of a grateful nation. And last, the chair sits empty because they are not here. Each item placed on this table reminds us that freedom is never free. May we always remember the brave men and women who could not be with us today, but whose courage and sacrifice will never be forgotten.